Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do Halloween pop art look. It's gonna look very similar to this. So you'll need concealer, your regular makeup, you feel me? Some black, some white, some blue, yellow, pinks, reds. I'm gonna show you can switch it up. I'm gonna put all the information in the description so that you guys know what you'll need for this look. So let's get started. So I have some NARS foundation. I don't use it a lot, but we're trying to get a really clean, nice look. And before we do that, of course, we're gonna do the concealer and then go from there. Don't forget, before you do your makeup, always moisturize. This is what I use. All right, now we're going in with the foundation. And if you want to teach me how to put it on, then let me know. If I'm doing it wrong, let me know. Okay guys, next thing we're doing is the eyebrows. I got this Mehron Black. Got this because I could use it for a lot of different things, a lot of different costumes I'll be doing, and it probably will last me a very long time. You can mix it with water to make it the consistency that we want in order to do the eyebrows. So I put a little bit of water and I put some on my brush, and then I dipped it. So as you can see, it's not that much. We're gonna be doing lines and eyebrows with this. So just wanted to show y'all what I was using. Now we're gonna go ahead and do it. Whatever I'm doing, I hope it's right, but my eyebrows looking real thick. All right, this one is looking a little better, but ooh, I know some girls be walking out the house like this. This is their everyday face, looking crazy. Ooh, my eyebrows aren't even. Okay, I'm back. I fixed up my eyebrow. This one just seems to be a bit more thicker than this one right now, so, you know, and it's a little higher, but we're gonna leave that like that. Next step is to do some lines. Y'all about to see. Looking good. Now it's time for eyeliner. Now we have to draw some eyelashes on to make it look 3D, as homegirl says in the video. So we're gonna see how this gonna work out. Eyelashes looking a little crazy, but they're all right. Next up is white eyeliner. Okay, so it's coming along. The next thing I'm gonna do is some cheek lines like she did. I guess it adds definition to the face. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the teardrop. So she said the way that you do your makeup is the angle at which you're gonna be showing your face, right? I'm gonna go ahead and do this over here as well and do the teardrops over here. So I have this and I have this that my sister gave me. I like this color, but I think it'll be easier for me to draw it first and then I'll go in and use this color to fill it in. Color time. Let's get these lips cracking. I'm gonna use my black paint because I feel like that's working the best. Lips looking mad juicy. I feel like a brat doll. Now we're gonna do some red lipstick. I found these really cool lips on Pinterest. As you can see, I'll also add it here. It's looking real good. All right, now we're gonna do the white. You guys, I am done with this makeup. You can always go back in and do the red dots to really make it pop. But I really like how this looks and how it turned out. So I don't really wanna go in and add anything or do anything extra if I feel like it turned out good, you know? I'm gonna add a wig and then you'll see the finished look. This is the finished product. I love how it turned out. I went and threw my wig on, made by niece. Her information will be in the description as well. But I just love how this came out. Like, I feel like a housewife who was cheated on and I'm heartbroken, you know? It is so cute. And then you could put on whatever wig you want to put on, you know? I have a brown wig that I was going to put on, but I thought this would make it more like pop artish, you know? So please feel free to try this look. It is so cute, so fun, a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. I'm trying to hide my real hair, sorry y'all. So yeah, like, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all have any advice for how to do better next time. But I am so in love with this look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me _Royal Bliss at Instagram. My business page, Bliss Beauty 1.0 on Instagram, www.blissbeautyco.com. Subscribe, tune in, check me out. I got 2 more costumes coming up for you guys to see and try at home. Have a good one.